Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you what is called a Todoist reset. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Todoist.com and log in to your Todoist account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, there are two things that you should do. But first, we must know what it means to do a Todoist reset. This basically means it would give you a clean slate to start from the beginning. So, we can either do this manually by selecting specific tasks that we want to delete. And to do that, let's say we're going to go to inbox or we're going to go to today. I'm going to go to inbox right here on the left panel. Now, I have two tasks right here, as you can see. Once you hover your mouse, simply go to the right part of that task and click on more actions. And then, if you are sure that you want to reset this, simply click on delete. Once deleted, click on delete again, and that task is now gone. But what about if you want to reset the entire account? Then, we're going to go to the top left corner and click on your account. After that, on the drop-down menu, click on settings. Now, from the left panel, go to account and scroll down until you see this delete account option. Now, once you delete this, remember that you cannot reverse it back. So, if you do this, your account will start from the beginning. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!